हम अपने लंग्स का ओनली 30% ही यूज कर रहे हैं। तो अपने लंग्स की कैपेसिटी बढ़ाने के लिए प्राणायाम बहुत अच्छा है। उस प्राणायाम का नाम है भस्त्रिका।
Last 20 years I have been in education. At moment we are running 11 schools across Rajasthan and MP. Everywhere we are facing a single problem. A teacher invests at least 50% of time in the class in writing on the blackboard, children copying down in their notebooks, which has nothing to do with the learning part of the curriculum.
Volunteers were asked to bite off the paper cartridges for the newly introduced.
In his newest school, High Tech Gurukul, Dr. Ajay decided to do away with blackboards and physical books. Before any class, a teacher's multimedia notes stored on a cloud network automatically gets downloaded in the tabs provided to all the students. By using advanced proprietary technology, a teacher has full control over the content of each child's tablet.
The force of attraction acting between these two bodies.
We are saving at least 15 to 20 minutes from every period. What we did with this extra time which we got, as soon as they take admission in High Tech Gurukul, we make them go through a test. Through this test, we can find out their inbuilt quality, and accordingly we send them to that particular club. They are the skill development stations.
Music club is one, but then there are several others like the robotics club, for example. The fact that these club activities happen every alternate day, every week, makes them pretty much an integral part of the school curriculum itself, and not some occasional hobby class.
It was not so easy as we thought. Okay, we'll get a software and we'll have some content from somewhere and we'll purchase the tablets from the market and we'll connect it and the show will go. The teachers has to be motivated to use the technology, and we needed innovation on day-to-day basis because technology is changing every day. So we are having software engineers who work on day-to-day basis.
One question is
Our prime focus was to save time, but on the other side, the understanding level of the education also increased by multifold, because visual memory, it is 5 to 6 times better than the normal way of learning from the book or from the blackboard.
Use of technology has also enabled the school to go for adaptive learning techniques, where both teaching aids and assessment can be customized for each student based on their learning level. It is wonderful to see this school making use of technology not for the sake of it, but so that its students can learn skills beyond just the school syllabus. Let us hope that many more schools can do something similar and redefine what true education really is.